Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to cancel Amazon Prime membership. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then search the following: how to cancel Amazon Prime membership. Once you're done typing, all you have to do this time is hit enter. Now let's wait for Google searches to finish loading. In here, it's a step-by-step process. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be reading them to you guys, so once you're going to be doing it on your PC or laptop, you'll be fully guided. It's best if you listen to this one over at your phone. Once we are in the website, the first step is to log into your Amazon account. Hover over Accounts and List, and click on Prime Membership in the drop-down menu. Go ahead, take your time in executing Step 1. Now in Step 2, in the top right-hand side of the page, click on Update, Cancel, and More under the Membership heading. Then click End Membership. Once you are done with that one, let's proceed to Step 3. Step 3 is on the next page. Click Cancel My Benefits. It's fairly easy from here on out. Once we're here, we're proceeding to step number 4, which is you'll then be asked to reconsider your decision. But if you still want to go ahead, click Continue to cancel. They really want you to keep subscribing, but in this case, if you've made up your mind, just click on Continue. And then on Step 5, Amazon will ask you to reconsider again, but since you are certain and you want to cancel your Prime subscription, click Cancel Membership. Yeah, they're like that. They really want to keep you to keep going with your subscription. And that's it. Actually, if you go to your Amazon account right now, you've already canceled your subscription. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.